Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Rocket League error code CE348780. Now, I've seen a lot of people make videos about this, usually fake videos, and even PlayStation themselves basically tell you to, make sure your PlayStation 4 console, it is updated, right? Both the game and the software of your PlayStation, the latest versions. But in reality, right, it's not really even an issue with that. It's fine. A lot of people are having issues where it's fully updated. Everything is fully updated. There's no more updates, but it's still crashing. Actually, Rocket League themselves have gone ahead and acknowledged this issue. They are working on it. They've made statements on it, and it will work. Usually, with the new update, if you do change your resolution lower to 1080p, it works for a lot of people as well, by the way, and you should be fine. So if this video is helpful to you, appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.